I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson where Korean starts clicking one rung at a time.
안녕하세요, 하나예요. 오늘은 날짜를 자연스럽게 읽어볼게요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Tickets, forms, and calendars all need this skill.
Here's my real life problem. I see 3/5 on a form and I freeze. Is that March 5th? May 3rd? And how do I say it in Korean?
좋은 질문이에요. Korean dates go from bigger to smaller. Month first, then day.
So March 5th is 3월 5일. Literally 3 month 5 day.
So I don't say March 5 in English order. In Korean, I say 3월 5일.
맞아요. 그리고 오늘 며칠이에요? means what date is it today? 오늘은 며칠이에요? 라고도 자연스럽게 말해요. 은을 붙이면 오늘을 주제로 세워서 오늘은요? 라는 느낌이 나요.
The pattern is simple. Number plus 월 for the month, then number plus 일 for the date. In Korean, say the month number first, then the date number.
1월 1일, January 1st.
2월 14일, February 14th.
3월 5일, March 5th.
4월 21일, April 21st.
Wait, 21일. Has her twice? One for 21 and one for day?
네, 날짜에서는 number plus 1이에요. So 21st is 21일.
Now watch two special month names. 같이 June is 6월, not 6월. October is 10월, not 10월.
11월 is November. You may see 11 plus 월, but the sound connects naturally. 11월.
Okay. June is 6월. October is 10월. And November is 11월.
For dates, the 6th day is 6일 and the 10th day is 10일이에요. 날짜에서는 10일이 만나서 10일, the 10th가 돼요.
Let's build a full sentence. 오늘은 3월 5일이에요. Today is March 5th.
Another useful sentence. 제 생일은 7월 21일이에요. My birthday is July 21st.
제 생일은 7월 21일이에요. That doubler feels weird, but I get it.
좋아요. Smoothly. 21일 sounds like 21일.
And 31st is 31일. 31일 is written 31일, 1일, and pronounced naturally as Sam-si-biril.
If I want the full date, can I ask? 몇 월 며칠이에요?
네. 몇 월 means which month and 며칠 means what date.
Be careful with the spelling. For asking the date, Standard Korean writes 며칠, not 몇일.
So, I should ask, 오늘은 며칠이에요? Not, 오늘은 몇 일이에요?
맞아요. Now let's hear a short Korean dialogue. 오늘은 며칠이에요?
오늘은 3월 5일이에요.
회의는 몇 월 며칠이에요?
회의는 4월 21일이에요. Notice the questions. 며칠 asks the date. 몇 월 며칠 asks the full month and day.
Repeat after me. 3월 5일.
3월 5일.
좋아요. Now make the sentence. 오늘은 3월 5일이에요.
오늘은 3월 5일이에요.
Repeat. 6월 6일. June 6th.
6월 6일.
완벽해요. Repeat. 10월 10일. October 10th.
10월 10일.
Common mistake time. 영어식 날짜 표기에 익숙하면 5분의 3을 3월 5일인지 5월 3일인지 헷갈릴 수 있어요. Korean dates go bigger to smaller. Month, then date.
If you mean March 5th, say 3월 5일. If you mean May 3rd, say 5월 3일.
So on a Korean calendar, I should train my brain. Month first, date second.
One more common mistake. Asking the date with 몇일이에요. Standard Korean uses 며칠이에요.
Quick check. You want to ask, as for today, what date is it? Which is best?
I'm choosing A.
오늘은 며칠이에요?
B looks tempting because more plusier feels logical, but I remember.
며칠.
Correct. A. 오늘은 며칠이에요. B uses 몇일이에요. But the standard form for asking the date is 며칠이에요. C asks what month it is.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 한국어 날짜는 큰 것에서 작은 것으로 말해요. In English, Korean dates go bigger to smaller.
둘째, 숫자에 월과 일을 붙여요. In English, number plus 월 gives the month and number plus 일 gives the date.
셋째, 6월과 10월은 특별해요. In Korean, June is 6월 and October is 10월.
넷째, 날짜를 물을 때는 며칠이에요 라고 해요. In English, use 며칠이에요 to ask what date it is.
The one sentence I'll remember is,
오늘은 3월 5일이에요.
today is March 5th.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 오늘은 3월 5일이에요.
Next rung, we'll connect dates to schedules. 몇 시에 만나요? What time are we meeting?
I'm Ava, and this was Korean Ladder. See you on the next rung.